one nobody ever tells you about, and I wish they did.
Let you go with this one. I'm a piece of...
Hi everyone, I'm Katie.
I'm Julia.
And this is Busan Basics, where we tell you the basics of living in Busan, South Korea.
Yes.
Yay!
Today we're gonna make a special video about what to bring
to Korea
before you get here.
So these are things that are either difficult to find in Korea or you just can't find them at all in Korea. So you should bring them with you.
Why do I keep finger cutting?
What was the South Park episode where it's like finger bang?
Bang, bang, finger bang, 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 I'm gonna finger bang.
Okay, so the first thing on our list is tampons. You can,
Oof. Yeah, fellas, goodbye.
You can find them in Korea, but it's like one brand and it's very difficult to find. I highly suggest bringing them if you use them. If you use pads,
You're good.
yeah, they got like a million freaking brands.
Yeah, they only have like one thing of tampons.
I've only ever found one brand.
Yeah, at like Olive Young.
Olive Young.
Olive Young, yeah.
Costco just started selling tampons.
And like the convenience stores will have pads, but I don't think I've seen tampons in the convenience store.
I've never seen a tampon.
And the ones that they do have, I mean, they're not gonna really work. I mean, depending on
your flow.
on your cycle.
If you are a heavier flow kind of gal,
I can't help it if I've got a heavy flow and a wide set vagina.
Don't do it.
bring your own tampons.
Yeah. Hair stuff. Okay, can I just like okay, I'm very passionate about this one. I have really thick, naturally like dry hair. So Korean products, I feel like they just dry out my hair. So I need like, what is it, Olaplex? You probably know that if you go to Sephora. And I love it and it's really good for my hair. So my mother, as the same as she is, sent it to me. But in Korea Customs, they were like, what is this? And they just had no idea what it was. And I was like, I don't know. Like, this is a luxury goods item. And they just literally charged me like $100 on tax.
Yeah.
I was like, bro. So highly recommend just bringing it.
Yeah, and like I have curly hair. My hair is naturally curly. So I can't find anything for my hair. My hair gets really dry, as most girls with curly hair knows. And they don't have curly hair products. I found one and it's like, meh. And if you order some, it costs a lot of money. So it either costs more in shipping or if you get it from coupons, the price is already jacked up. Thongs. Thongs, 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 thongs.
Tea panties, and I had no idea what that was.
So in Korea, which I absolutely love, they call thongs tea panties.
Why?
And it's because like a G-string is like a T.
Okay, that's kind of cute, but also like,
yeah.
so I was thinking like tea.
Sorry, what?
Just keep going.
So they have them here, but they view them as like sexy underwear. So if you just want regular thongs, you're not gonna find them. And they're not in regular stores. Like I went to a store and I was like, oh, tea panties, soyo? Like, do you have thongs? And she gave me the death glare, like, we don't have them here. And I'm like, oh. And then when you do go to the like sex shops, they have like bells and whistles on them. And I don't need a chain going up my So if that's what you wear, definitely stock up. Or Aerie does have them. They have them pretty cheap, but definitely stock up.
Bras. Over the shoulder boulder holder.
What?
You never heard that? I couldn't even say it with a straight face. You never heard that?
I've never heard that.
My mom used to say that.
I think that's just like a your family kind of thing.
Probably.
Has anyone else ever heard that?
Over the shoulder boulder holders. Like, okay, anyway. If you have like 34 and up rib cage or relatively large tatas, you're gonna want to bring them from home and order
from Aerie.
There you go.
This is not sponsored by Aerie, but if Aerie wants to sponsor us, I'll say yes. Yeah, so if you're like above a B, you're above a B cup, bring your own bras. Do not, you're not gonna find them here.
It's not gonna happen for you.
Yeah, so
I'm
T
sorry,
panties and
sweetie.
bras, stock up. The next one I'm very passionate about because it's shoes,
Because the highest size that they offer is my size.
which is 7, 7.5.
7.5 to an 8, depending on what the shoe is.
I'm a 10. So,
Wah, wah, wah.
I mean, that's pretty big in America, and here it's like Jolly Green Giant kind of
That's not
big.
normal.
So if you're above, I would say above a size 7.5, because even 7.5, I heard
Yeah,
is kind of
honestly,
hard.
yeah, I'm 7.5, like 8, and it's hard. Like I have to get them online. They will give them to you, but they have to order them. Whereas they won't even be able to order.
No, they can't order.
Workout clothes. I feel like I'm on like a game show. So I don't know, because I feel like if you go to specific department stores, they have like high brand, like yoga pants and things like that. But again, the women that are actively working out here are also this big. So like the t-shirt or the bra size is going to be this big.
Yeah.
They are not meant for like
curvier women.
yeah, I don't know.
Because even like I have pretty muscular thighs, and so for me, like buying pants in general, but like especially workout pants are really difficult because my thighs are kind of big and then my waist is smaller. So I can't, if the pants fit my legs, they're too big for my waist, and then vice versa.
Oh.
So it's really hard to find workout gear that fits me well, especially like, you know, bras are too tight, pants aren't proportionate to my body. They have Nike and Adidas here, but it's gonna be full price. It's not like you can go to Marshall's and get it half off.
They don't have like those outlets like we got,
Which is really
US.
upsetting. And the last one, the one nobody ever tells you about, and I wish they
I'm gonna
did.
let you go with this one. I'm a piece of.
This is gonna make me look so bad, but I was so angry that like no one warned me with this, but bring your own condoms. Because here they sell them in these tiny little boxes where it's like 3 condoms for like $10. And that's ridiculous. Like
so expensive.
like you can go to Costco in America and get the giant ass pack for like $15, and that will last you a long time. But no, I get so frustrated with that because they're like,
That's a whole nother conversation, like a whole nother video about how Korean guys will be like, I don't have a condom. And it's because it's so expensive they don't want to buy one.
yeah.
So like sexual education is bad lacking. We should do a video. If you want a video, pop a comment down below.
Yeah, so that'll probably be in our video about Korean dating, which we'll post somewhere soon. These are the basic things you should bring with you. Everything else they have here.
Yeah, like Korea's not a third world.
Blah, 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 blah.
I don't know how to talk. World. I'm an English teacher, I promise. But even that word. Take it away, Katie. Take it away.
This is not a third world country. So you can get most things. It's just usually clothes and shoes if you are a little bigger. And when I say bigger, I don't even mean like overweight.
No, just like
curvier.
Totally normal.
If you're not petite,
Normal's
essentially.
not a good word, I don't like that.
If you're not petite.
Petite, that's a very good way to put that, because it's just like, it's like petite. They're very tiny.
They're tiny. They're also short, which is why I have problems getting shoes.
And pants.
Pants and bras and panties and everything. That's pretty much all we have for you.
Yeah.
If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye!
Thank you. Bye-bye.